The Yamaha YZF-R6 is a motorcycle that has captured the hearts of sport bike enthusiasts around the world. Known for its razor-sharp handling, aggressive styling, and track-ready performance, the R6 is a legend in the middleweight supersport category. Since its debut in 1999, the YZF-R6 has consistently pushed the boundaries of what a 600cc sport bike can achieve, both on the street and the racetrack. Its aerodynamic design, advanced electronics, and lightweight frame make it a top choice for riders seeking a thrilling experience with precision control. One of the most defining characteristics of the Yamaha R6 is its high-revving 599cc inline-4 engine. This engine is designed to deliver explosive power at high RPMs, making it ideal for aggressive riding. It produces around 118 horsepower, allowing the bike to accelerate quickly and reach impressive top speeds. The R6's engine is not just powerful but also finely tuned for responsiveness, giving riders the confidence to push their limits. Whether tearing through corners on a racetrack or cruising on twisty roads, the engine provides a thrilling ride that few motorcycles in its class can match. In addition to its powerful engine, the YZF-R6 features a lightweight Delta-box aluminum frame that enhances its agility and handling. The frame design provides a perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility, allowing the rider to maintain control even during high-speed cornering. Coupled with a fully adjustable suspension system, including Kib front forks and a rear monoshock, the R6 offers a smooth and responsive ride. These components make the bike highly adaptable to different riding styles and conditions, giving both amateur and experienced riders a high level of performance and feedback. The Yamaha R6 also boasts advanced electronics that elevate its performance to a whole new level. It comes equipped with features like Yamaha chip-controlled throttle, YCCT, Yamaha chip-controlled intake, YCCI, and a quick shifter. These technologies work together to deliver precise throttle response, optimal air intake, and seamless gear changes. The ride-by-wire system ensures that the engine responds accurately to the rider's inputs, enhancing overall control and stability. Additionally, the R6 includes selectable riding modes and traction control, allowing riders to tailor the bike's performance to their specific needs and riding environment. When it comes to design, the Yamaha R6 is a masterpiece of aerodynamic engineering. Inspired by Yamaha's MotoGP race machines, the R6 features a sleek and aggressive bodywork that not only looks stunning but also reduces drag and improves airflow. The dual LED headlights, sharp tail section, and sculpted fuel tank give the bike a distinctive and menacing look. Every detail is crafted with purpose, contributing to both aesthetics and performance. The ergonomics are also well thought out, with a rider-focused cockpit that offers an aggressive yet comfortable riding position, ideal for both street and track use. Braking is another area where the R6 excels. It is equipped with dual 320mm front discs with radial mount calipers and a 220mm rear disc. These high-performance brakes provide excellent stopping power and modulation, essential for confident and controlled braking at high speeds. Coupled with ABS, the braking system ensures safety and control, even in less than ideal conditions. Overall, the Yamaha YZF-R6 represents the pinnacle of 600cc sport bike performance. It's a motorcycle that delivers on all fronts of power, precision, technology, and style. For riders who crave speed, agility, and an adrenaline-pumping ride, the R6 is a perfect choice. It's not just a bike, it's an experience that brings the thrill of racing to everyday roads. Whether you're a track day enthusiast or a passionate street rider, the Yamaha R6 offers a level of performance and excitement that's hard to match. Its legacy continues to inspire riders around the world, making it one of the most iconic sport bikes ever produced.